Welcome back to the channel. So we've been working on the doubled-in conversion. We have our first skin of fiberglassing done for it. Nice little phone tray up there for your phone to sit in, either that way or that way. Probably gonna do wireless charging on some of them, but for just the standard one like that, I got more fiberglassing to do on it to stiffen it up. But in order to install this kit, you gotta take this little doohickey off. And see, we just cut the top of the dash out. I cut mine a little bit more than I actually needed to, for the simple fact that I'm hooking up GPS and stuff like that. So I wanted plenty of room to run all my wiring and fun stuff back there. And it gives you a little bit of access to the vent work. But this will literally drop on over the top of it when it's all fiberglassed up and nice and hard. It'll be two pins back there that hold it in place that will not be visible with the finished product. And then it'll be screwed in down here in the two corners. And your trim piece will go right back on. If I can do this one-handed. And that is what it'll look like when it's all done. I like that a lot better than some of those kits that you see where the stereo's tucked way in there. Everything on this one works. If I can turn my key on. I haven't hooked up the GPS stuff yet, so but this one's even got the backup camera, which the lines on it are a little narrow for this truck, so I think this is more designed for a car than a pickup. But it lets me see the ball back there, and I hook up and unhook trailers a lot, especially with this truck. This is tow pig, so it's the main truck for towing trailers and moving people's trailers and moving my trailers. I want to get this one back on the road as soon as I can. I miss driving this truck. And then I can start working on that one there. That one's going to get painted. And then that one I think I'm going to sell. And it'll be time to get the square body and start building that one. But I figured I'd give you all an update on the dash install, the doubled-in stereo dash conversion install kit. Yeah, I know I gotta get a new windshield too because it's beat up bad. But if you like what we're doing, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have you guys a good week, and possibly there'll be another upload tomorrow, hopefully. Other than that, we'll catch you on the next one.